Outstream, I think, is a nice evolution of video and getting it into the content stream and getting it out of pre-roll and all of the other places where we normally think of video. And it's important to us because it allows us to get more contextual with the creative that our clients are putting forward and really get into a place where hopefully there's less blindness from the consumer and more of an opportunity to create impact. We spent some time this morning talking a lot about the creative and the creative elements that are coming into the space, and we think there's tremendous opportunity for more creative, more targeted creative. Had some great chats with Jim from Forrester as well. We were just spending time talking about the opportunity that we have now in this space to get really, really detailed with the consumer, the place, the targeting. We can really get granular with all of the targeting. If we're not then delivering on the promise of an actual targeted message on top of that, we've actually lost the opportunity. So we think the next really revolution is going to happen in the world of creative. So I spent some time this morning talking a lot about how within MEC, our focus, yes, on digital and data is also shifting our focus on where we're sitting in the conversation. We talked kind of jokingly this morning about how media has always sat at the end of the meeting, or we say the ass end of the meeting, and digital's been after that, and search has always been even after that. So like we've lived at kind of this back end of the conversation, and because digital and data has been such a powerhouse of understanding about the consumer and all of the data that we have with us to understand what's happening with the consumer, we're actually moving to the front of the meeting. And that's a tremendous opportunity to help our clients with their owned assets to really understand what's happening with their site, their content that they're creating, anything that they're putting into the marketplace, and really driving insights from the data that we collect and from our research to help drive what is the right creative, what is the right messaging, what are the types of things that we need to put into market, and it's putting the media agencies really very upfront and center in the conversation, which is exciting.